Alright, guys, welcome back. So, this is another video of this playlist. Case study 2. This is website. So, let's get into the video. So, KFC breakfast menu.com. So, this is a website where we will going to see the whole case study on this. What type of content they're producing, what type of website, this is. And so, these are the 4 points. What do you need to be doing when you are doing, case study of any blog that you see that and you actually say that yes, I can start this blog, I can replicate this blog. So this is for the sake of that purpose. These are the 4 point which is very important. Check the niche, put the site in SMrush, and check the page, how many pages site have, and export all of those pages. So we need to understand first, we need to look up at the site, that how the site looks, and what is actually the theme. So theme is a very basic theme. Here you can see this theme is actually a template. These guys are using template of this theme, not this theme is not actually made with something using coding, or this is just a template they're using. And so basically what this website is about KFC breakfast menu, so prices and hours. So these are the two things which they are focusing. So basically, when somebody search breakfast, KFC breakfast menu, and they wanted to know the prices and the hours, so they will eventually land on this perfect website, which is very amazing. So you can actually, duplicate or replicate this website, copy this website. You know, in simple words, you can actually copy this whole website with the using AI and ChatGPT. So what you need is you need to come up again, open these articles and see what type of keyword they are targeting. So KFC breakfast menu prices and hours in South Africa. It means, in South Africa, people are looking for these things. KFC breakfast menu prices and hours. So this type of content they are producing. So here you can see they will develop content. So KFC breakfast time and hours, KFC breakfast menu nutrients calculator. KFC in Cape Town, Durban, Bark, Penn, Dalpark. So these are the few places. KFC breakfast claim. So these are, basically these people are actually targeting the secondary keywords also. So whenever somebody searches KFC in Durban, they will eventually come on this page, land on this page. So here you can see these are the table type content. KFC A Miami Twister. So here you can see this is the menu items in a specific area. So what you need is you need to again copy this whole content and go to ChatGPT and say ChatGPT that, hey, ChatGPT, I need this type of content. Can you please help me make this? And I need tables like this, table and all of the headings. Here you can see headings. They've used headings, tables, and this is something which is very 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 easy, and anybody can do it using AI. So let me come up on SMrush. So what you need is you need to copy this website name. Let me go back. You need to first look up that what type of pages of this website are getting traffic from Google and what type of pages are ranking in Google. So we will eventually get to see all of those pages, and we will eventually create all of those pages on our blog. So right. So that's what we're doing here. So it takes a while. It gives you a whole matrix about this website, that what is the domain, what is the authority score, domain authority, everything, growth, traffic, paid traffic, backlinks. So it takes a while and it gives you all of the information. I recommend you guys to use the paid version of SMrush. Here you go. So domain authority is 8, organic search traffic is 42, backlinks are again 119. So it's a doable thing again. So what you need is you need to come up on this organic search. So view details, click on view details. So what you need is you need to find out the ranking pages, and you need to create content using all of just check out all of those pages and create content like this on your page, right? So I recommend you guys, if you're starting out, you can also utilize blogger.com, which is free, and which is very free from blogger from Google, sorry. So you can eventually create blogs on blogger.com, which is a free platform by Google, and just try out and create blog. It's a good hobby, it's a good skill which you can utilize, and this you can create these type of websites. So the best thing is, we will eventually, if you just you look up at this site, this website is actually monetized with Google AdSense, where you can see the ads. So whenever somebody click on these ads, the site is making a little bit of money because the traffic is low, because the person is starting out. And you can also create a good amount of money with this if you just put content like these people are doing. Prices, KFC menu UK, hot wings bucket KFC. Again, these are the keywords you can see. So organic search position is 67 keywords are ranking on these positions. Here you can see positions 70 is 59, 25, 47, 9. So what you need is you need to, again, here you can see export. You can export all of these pages and see yourself that what type of content they're producing, how you can actually create this type of content. If you just come up again here, and here you can see pages, just click on pages, and it will eventually show you how many pages this website have. And you will get to see, and you will get an idea that how many pages you need to create in order to make a good amount of money. Like this website makes, I guess $5 to $6, I guess, because the traffic is low. Again, if you bring the traffic, you will eventually make a good amount of money, like $100 or $500, or it could be possibly $1,000 as well. All you need is, you need to understand the strategy, you need to understand how whole system works. I have showed you this website, kfcmenu.com. So what you need is, you need to go to blogger.com from Google, and then you need to create your blog. And what you need is, again, come up here, SMrush, on SMrush, and create and put this website, export all of these pages, and then rewrite all of these content and put that content on your website, which is on blogger.com. And then see what going to happen. And also submit your website to Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So you will eventually see how many how many people are coming, and from there they are coming in, from where your site is actually ranking. So these are all of these things which is important. Here you can see organic pages 10, positions, position changes, competitors, topics, subdomains. So I guess that's pretty much it. If you are starting out, I recommend you guys just to just start your blog using get inspiration from this, right? This is a very basic website. They are using theme. You can find theme on Google, as of course. Just search theme, free themes on food niche. So you will eventually get a lot of niches. Just upload that good niche on your blog, and then you can eventually start this type of blog, right? So if you have any question, do let me know in the comments, and see you in the next one.